this demonstration, we're going to cover marketing text against items with Copilot in Business Central. To use this function, you must first navigate to an item. So I'm going to select the Berlin guest chair yellow. And within here, you get the option to draft a marketing text. Click the option to draft with Copilot. And what it's going to do is it's going to look at the attributes, the description, and any information you put against the item card to draft a marketing text relevant to that item. Within here, if you're unhappy with the first draft's tone, you can come in and you can change it to upbeat. I can click regenerate, and now it's going to rewrite the text in a more upbeat tone. I also have the ability to format the text. So for example, I want to change this to brief because I think this is too long, and I click regenerate again. This has now returned a much briefer summary of the item with some bullet points instead of a paragraph of text. Finally, I can select the emphasis here. So if I want to select reliability, and again, I can regenerate it a third time. What it allows you to do is once you've got your options, you can go back through, select your favorite of all of them, and then hit keep it for the one you want to keep. With that, that concludes our demo on marketing text with Copilot within Business Central.